Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I have another haul video. And I know my last actual sit down video was a haul, but I got even more stuff in. Some of the stuff I ordered a while back and have just been waiting for it to ship. So let's go ahead and get started with my necklace. This is a new necklace and it's kind of a popular style. I know there's a similar one on the Daisy website that I've seen. That one is more expensive than this one. This is from Earthbones Jewelry, which is a Baltimore-based company. You guys know I love buying local wherever and whenever I can, and this is a style of necklace I was looking into purchasing at some point anyway. I was actually looking at the Daisy one, but really couldn't pull the trigger. And then I saw this one and I'm like, great, local. And it's actually a lot longer than this. I just have it clasped on one of the, I have it clasped so it's shorter is what I'm trying to say, so that it goes with this particular top and I could show it off to you, but it actually has a good deal more length if you're interested in having it longer. And I will say the one tiny criticism I do have about this particular necklace is that the clasp should probably be larger. It's kind of hard to get the tiny clasp around these larger links, so that's my only comment on that. Aside from that, it's really beautiful. And let me tell you what it is. It is the 14 karat paper clip chain, and so I will link to this company's website down below, but it's earthbones.com, and earth has 2 A's in it. And yeah, I love this necklace. I'm really happy with the quality and how it looks. It's just adorable. Next item, which I haven't even taken out of the packaging, and you could tell it's from Girlfriend. It's their signature bag. They restocked some of their essential line. I think that's the certain colors they always keep in stock, and I decided to purchase the purpley dark wine color. I don't know what exactly it's called. Maybe it says plum. So it is the exact same pieces that I got in the yellow one. So the Paloma bra, and then the, what are they called? Compressive high-rise leggings with 23 3/4 inches length. And I got the same exact sizes, the medium and the large, because they fit me perfectly. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys this. It's way more purple in person than I thought it would be. It's like super aubergine type color. There's the bra. Love that. It's almost like a juicier, plumped up version of the color of my shirt, actually. And here are the leggings. I love the 23 3/4 inch length because I'm 5 feet tall, and they actually fit me like a normal legging. So I'm kind of obsessed with the Girlfriend leggings because of that, and I may have ordered even more that just aren't here yet, but you know, we'll talk about that when we get there. Next item is from J. Crew Factory, and I also haven't taken this out of the packaging yet because I actually already own this item in another color. This is a corduroy skirt, and I purchased this in a green shade last year, and I really liked it, so I decided to just get it in the goldeny shade this year, and I'm very excited about it. It's super cute, and it's one of the only J. Crew branded type of skirts that actually fits my body really well. Most of the time their stuff just does not work. I have a smaller waist, but I have a much bigger butt, so the proportions aren't often catered to in their skirt ranges. So I really love this, and I'm excited about it. One item from J. Crew, since that was from J. Crew Factory, this is from J. Crew, and it is these sweatpants, lounge pants, whatever you want to call them. I love these. They are not as soft as the Loft or Blue and Gray ones that I shared in my previous haul, and I'm about to share in 2 seconds because I bought another pair. But they're just really cool looking. I would not mind wearing these out of the house. Something about them is just really laid back and cool feeling. I don't know how else to explain it. Now I did get a large because I have purchased J. Crew pajamas in the past and the medium was a little snug on me, so I've gotten large. You don't need to go up in a size. The large is way too big for me because it has a drawstring. I just decided I wasn't sending them back because I just love the way they look. And I didn't care that much because they are more loungy pants, but I will say stick with your normal size. I should have got a medium in these. And the length isn't bad either. They do gather just a little at the ankle, so I don't find them slipping underfoot or anything. Really like these. And since we're talking lounge pants, I got the lounge pants that I bought in orange from Loft in black as well because I love them so much. They are the softest, most amazing lounge pants. Honestly, if they have another sale and these are still around, I might buy another color, like a gray or something, because I love these. There's like literally nothing this good. Nothing. They're amazing. So I did get them in the black, and they have the drawstring, they have front pockets, and they have rear pockets, which are nice. These are not super flimsy pockets. They actually will hold things, which is also really nice. I get the regular length, even though they come in petite. I find that the regular length is like perfect. I don't know why. The orange ones only came in a regular length. They didn't come in petite, and that's how I figured that out. Then we have two t-shirts. One is this gray color, which is completely inside out. I've already worn this and stuff. So they're just simple t-shirts. They're only slightly cropped. They're not really like fully cropped. They're slightly cropped. I don't even think they're listed as cropped on the website, but they have a little cuff on the sleeve. And once again, I don't know what they are doing. I felt something on my arm. Anyway, I don't know what they're doing at Blue and Gray or Loft or, you know, same company, whatever. But this is the softest t-shirt ever. Like, it's insane. Insane. I just didn't want to take it off, so I wore it for like 3 days, which is gross, but oh well, because it was amazing. So I got it in this dark gray color. It might be listed as black, I'm not sure. And then I also got it in, of course, because it's me and it's fall, this orange color. I think these were the only two colors that came in. So that is a really nice t-shirt. Hopefully that is still in stock so I can link it for you guys, because that is amazing. If there's only two things you get that t-shirt and get those sweatpants, because they are literally the best. These are not affiliate links. I don't think I can affiliate link these ones, so it's like, just buy it because it's amazing. Don't buy it because you think I'm gaining anything. And now I want to move into some things that are also really short girl friendly as far as sweaters go. So, like I said earlier, my waist is small, my hips and my booty they explode a little from the rest of my body. So, big, chunky, fun, soft sweaters oftentimes will leave me looking really lumpy and boxy, especially if I want to do like these hairs are bothering me, especially if I want to do the thing where you tuck it into your jeans a little French tuck. It just looks like a lumpy bumpy mess. So these sweaters are miracle workers because they are just a smidged cropped. And I don't even know if they're listed as cropped, but they're just a smidge shorter than your average sweater, and they fall literally perfectly where my jeans hit. So it just looks like it was almost tailor-made for me. These are such short girl friendly items. These too, these are really short girl friendly as well. So I got this sweater right here. You can see it's got like a scallop neckline, and it gathers a little at the bottom. It's got this little finishing touch. It is a bit of a poofy sleeve, and then it gathers back at the wrist to establish a nice cute little petite wrist. Got the cream color, and I also got that in black. I have a black sweater or two, but one of them is really like on its last leg, so I was excited to find this, and I'm really excited for how well it fits. Now, it is a looser knit, so you will have to wear a bra under it if you're like me and just haven't been wearing bras for the past 6 or 7 months, this is one you'll have to wear a bra with. I'd say a new bra is fine, but if you're really self-conscious, maybe throw on a cami underneath that matches it. And then the last item is more of a sweatshirt, but this is also cropped and it fits perfectly. I don't really get any tummy showing. It cuts off right where my jeans start. And this is a cute little rainbow sweatshirt. So it's white, so I'm gonna have to, you know, not wear it doing anything potentially messy because I'm very clumsy. But it's just so cute. Look at the little rainbows. Adorable. And the rainbows are continued onto the back and on the hood. It's just so cute. And I know I've already bought a couple of sweatshirts this year, but I had to get another one because there was no way I was not purchasing this with the cute little rainbows on it. And they're almost like the material the rainbows themselves are made of are almost like a terry cloth. It's really nice. So that is my haul. I really wanted to get this video out to you guys so I could share the t-shirt and those lounge pants again, and hopefully you guys can get your hands on them because they are amazing. And then I also wanted to share these short girl friendly sweaters because I've literally never found a sweater that fit me, a 5-foot tall person, so well. I'm really excited to wear those all throughout fall. I know they're going to be a favorite. So that was like a whole mouthful. I'm so winded now. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Amandaphenomenon.com for weekly blog posts. And if you're curious about what I eat in my vegan diet, you can check out my previous video, which was a what I eat a day. And it was the first video in a new series I'm doing called What I Eat Wednesdays. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!